Reinforcing a door against kick-ins starts with the right hardware and a few basic tools used correctly. Begin by selecting a heavy-duty strike plate rated for security and pair it with 3-inch wood screws that reach well into the framing. Shorter screws only bite the door jamb and fail under force. Use a drill or impact driver to pre-drill holes for the 3-inch screws through the strike plate and into the stud, so the screws seat straight and fully. This prevents splitting and maximizes load transfer. Install a reinforcement plate around the door jamb or wraparound plate when possible. Mark and chisel shallow mortises so the plate sits flush and does not prevent the door from closing. Strengthen the hinge side by replacing hinge screws with 3-inch screws that pass through the jamb into the framing, and consider steel hinge reinforcement plates if the door is hollow or the frame is weak. For the latch and deadbolt, choose a high-quality single-cylinder deadbolt with a long bolt throw and ensure the bolt fully engages the strike pocket. File or chisel the mortise if necessary for full bolt travel. Carry a hammer for tapping plates and chiseling, and an optional rotary tool for precise notching or smoothing. Take your time fitting plates so you do not over-tighten and strip wood fibers. Common mistakes start with using screws that are too short because people think long screws will split the jamb, when in fact 3-inch screws are essential and you can pre-drill to avoid splitting. Another issue is poor alignment of plates and bolts, which causes binding and incomplete engagement, so always test the door closed and adjust the mortise depth with a chisel or file until the bolt moves smoothly. A third problem is relying only on decorative strike plates that are thin and fastened with short screws, so replace them with thick steel plates and secure into the stud for real resistance. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work. We also host an active discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and show before and after photos to help others planning similar door reinforcement projects.